Alrighty, so I'm going to show you guys how to make my quick 15-minute lemongrass basil catfish. It is a Thai food with some jasmine rice and some non-roasted garlic, guess type of bread used in Indian food. So anyways, we love it, wife loves it, it's excellent. Some catfish I caught a little while ago. Should be really good, so stay tuned. Okay, so first off you start the rice because the rice takes 15 minutes. 2 cups of water or 1 cup of rice, throw that in there, bring it back up to a boil, drop it down to simmer, cover, and set the timer for 15 minutes. I am going to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of butter. It's just personal preference. Okay, so while the rice is cooking, take your catfish nuggets and either some flour or like this is pancake mix with some couple tablespoons of seasonal or seasoned salt. You can do salt and pepper, just whatever to your taste. You don't want to over season it, just a light seasoning. We'll go ahead and put these in there in the bag, shake them all up, get them nice and coated, and then we'll just put them in a shallow pan of oil just to get them. We do want to cook them, so just to get them nice and brown, probably anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes on each side. All right, so as you can see, it's just cast iron, very shallow pan of oil. I mean, maybe half of an inch max. I have that heating up to, I usually go on a medium heat, but 350 is probably where it would measure out at. So, got the oil heating, and we will go ahead and get the catfish nuggets shaken up and breaded. All right, so these are all breaded. I've got, a nice, let's see if we can get closer there. There we go. Nice coating to them, and they're just kind of hanging out on the plate right now until the oil is heated up. Once the oil is heated up, we will put them all in. Like I said, we'll probably do anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes on each side. We do want to cook it before we add the sauce. All right, so you can see we've added them to the grease. This, unfortunately, I ran out of we usually use a pasture-raised lard and pork. This is just normal, I think it's just corn oil, but I do prefer cooking in lard. Seems to have a better flavor, healthier in my opinion. So anyways, but this is just corn oil. You can use any frying oil of choice. Like I said, we'll go ahead and give these, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes tops on each side. So give it a couple minutes here and then we'll flip them. All right, so you just want a nice golden brown color to them. And then when both sides are done, you should be able to take a fork and they should be able to just flake away very nice and easy. Again, you are wanting them cooked for the next step. Okay, so take them out, set them on a towel. Go ahead and soak some of that excess grease off of them. While you're doing that though, take out your naan flatbread and throw it in the oven just kind of to warm it up. We like a garlic naan to use with this. So I'll go ahead and add that to the oven, which will, like I said, keep it nice and warm so that way you've got something to dip it in your rice and sauce. So next step, we'll be adding the sauce. Okay, next step is go ahead and add the sauce into a pan and just put it on a medium heat. You just want to kind of bring it up to temperature, maybe even just a very slight boil. Once that happens, throw the catfish in there, stir it around very carefully though, because you don't want that catfish to break apart, and go ahead and dish up the rice and then serve that over top of the rice with the naan bread. Okay, so here it is. And again, try to do this without assistance. All we're doing is just coating. We're just trying to roll it, okay? Not wanting to break that catfish apart. So I'll go ahead and finish this off camera just because it's easier to do with both hands rather than one hand, and I will show you when it's done. Okay, so as you can see, we have it Coated pretty good without too much breaking up of the catfish. And now I'll go ahead and get the rice ready for the plate and show you the final presentation, finished product. Hope you guys enjoy it. Seriously, 15 minutes, easiest meal to make, and it's delicious. Okay guys, this is the finished product here. And I'm telling you, it is absolutely delicious. There's the garlic naan bread. And then I just did a little, just a side salad. So anyways, 15 minutes, you've got a complete meal out of the box. It's, you know, as close as home cooked as you can do in that short a time. It's healthy and, you know, makes great use of the resources and your time spent fishing. So again, 15 minutes to do, super simple. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, make sure you either subscribe to our YouTube or like our Facebook page, as we are doing, you know, frequent recipes on different you know, game as well as animals that we raise on the homestead. So enjoy guys.